Good morning friends. Thank you for watching my video series Artificial Intelligence in Gaming. In this video series we will see how the artificial intelligence is created and applied in games. So in this video series I will try to make it as simple as possible so that even if you are new to game development or even if you are new to game field, you can easily understand how the artificial intelligence is used in gaming and what are the different methods we can use in artificial intelligence so that we will get the desired result. So, what is an artificial intelligence? So, when you think about artificial intelligence, what comes to you in your mind first? Like it artificial intelligence is some futuristic robots which is going to appear in the future and that is going to take over the world, like that, and advanced cases or stages of artificial intelligence. But when you talk about artificial intelligence, it is we are already using that artificial intelligence in our daily life. So think that when you open my YouTube channel, so when you open one video, you can see some 4 to 5 other videos that you can choose from. So that is called artificial intelligence used in YouTube. So when we are using the CD or any other applications, those applications are created they are using artificial intelligence. But in simple way, you can say that an artificial intelligence is a intelligence created artificially. So when as a human being, when we are born with some intelligence. So how you gain experience, how you react to a particular situation. So that is by through experience and through learning and your decision making, you react to a particular situation. So when you are driving a car, so you can see that there could be different types of obstacles that can appear when you are traveling in a car. So how you are going to avoid those obstacles? So it is you learn from your experience that how I should react to a particular situation. So in the games also we are creating a lot of artificial intelligence method to make it interesting for the users when they play that game. So what is the artificial intelligence in games? Okay, so it is not as complicated or complex like when you talk about the robotics or Siri or Alexa. So it is not or the self-driving car. So it is not that as complicated as these kind of applications. And when you use the artificial intelligence in hospitals also to diagnose your diseases and to how to treat those diseases. So these are you can say a little bit complex artificial intelligence. But when we talk about gaming, it is not as complex as these fields. Just imagine that you may not be playing so many games maybe, but I hope you watch movies, action movies. Then you can see that when you consider a villain. Okay. So if you watch Batman movies, you can see that the main villain of the Batman movie is Joker. So Joker is a very intelligent villain. So it is very difficult for any of the other characters to defeat or kill that Joker, because he is created as a very intelligent character. But there are in movies we can see some other types of villains. So they come in group, and when they see the hero, so somebody, one of them come and attack, try to hit the hero. But hero has nothing to do. He has to just kick him and he fly on the air. So that character, that villain character is not created as a very intelligent villain. So just imagine that the director gives him another chance, okay, like to defeat that hero. Then what he will do? The next time he will not come running to that hero. He will just shoot him from a distance. So what that shows is that he learned from his previous mistake. That if you go and try to hit that, physically hit that hero, then he is going to hit you on the air. But so he learned that, okay, next time I will not repeat that mistake. I will shoot that hero from a distance. Okay, so the Joker is a villain character, and same as the person who is coming running towards that hero. But what is the difference? The level of intelligence. Okay, so who creates that intelligence? It is not necessary that the person who is playing that normal villain is not an intelligent person. He may be a very intelligent person, but it is not necessary that the actor who is playing that Joker is extraordinarily intelligent person. So who creates that? So that those characters are created by the script writers. So their script writers, according to his idea and his intelligence, he made the villains as intelligent as he wants. Okay, so this way in the gaming also we create the characters in different intelligent levels, so that how that character is going to react to that particular situation in a game. So it depends on that the game is going to be interesting or it is going to be boring. So you can see that when you play some games, it is very addictive, because and some games you become frustrated very easily. What is the difference? So difference is that when you play that addictive game, the artificial intelligence is not that complex. So you can easily complete each and every level and advance to the next level. So that is not very complex artificial intelligence. But when you play a first-person shooter game, any war game you play, it is very interesting to play. But you try to play a chess game with a computer, then you will not find it very interesting, because the computer will easily, there is a chance that it will easily defeat you. Okay, so the artificial intelligence used in chess is very advanced. So what happens is that you may not be able to overcome that intelligence level when you think humanly. So then what happens is that you become frustrated. You are not able to defeat that computer. So you become frustrated. So in gaming, the most important part is that the game should be very interesting to play, and it should be addictive. It should our purpose of the gaming artificial intelligence is not to frustrate the user, but make it more interesting for the user to come back and play the game. Okay, so when you talk about the Temple Run or Angry Birds, so you can see that they are not using very complex artificial intelligence, but so the people they come and play the game. Okay, so it is very interesting for the users. So he gets that a lot of satisfaction by defeating the computer, and he comes back to the playing that particular game. But in a complex games, or in a, like a, for example in chess, it is very difficult to defeat that computer. So you will not find it that much interesting. like you play the games with a less complicated artificial intelligence. So in this video series, what we are going to see is that I will show the different methods or different algorithms of creating the gaming artificial intelligence through examples. So in the next video, what I will show you is that I will show you some example games. So where this artificial intelligence is used, and I will also show you a couple of my games also which I created, which is available in the Google Play Store, so that you can understand. I will just give you an idea of how I implemented the artificial intelligence in those games. I hope you will enjoy this video series, and please like and share this video as much as possible, so that the people who wants to learn about artificial intelligence in game can benefit from this. Okay, thank you so much, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.